Myself, Dr. Mohan Kumar TP. Today, I'm going to present a subject on business research methodology. In that, I'm going to discuss with the session number 38, that is classification. Classification is the process of arranging the data into different groups or classes on the basis of some common characteristics. Classification of data, it converts the raw data into original data, or it can be converted as a information, raw data into an information. Data analysis, it can be classified as quantitative data as well as qualitative data. Under quantitative data, which compiles the data on an Excel spreadsheet and with the help of SPSS, which helps to interpret the data on answering each questions, and also it helps to draw a conclusions. With reference to qualitative data, comparative method. It is a constant comparative method. Use critical thinking to synthesize the data. Examine the interviews for the teachers' insights. Especially the teacher, we are able to analyze and identify the students who are not exposed better, but still we are able to identify their quality in their with reference to the studious attentiveness and sincerity and commitment that can be easily measured. Utilize the data from the interviews to corroborate with the findings with other data sources. Data classification, it can be defined as a process of analyzing the structured or unstructured data and organizing it into categories based on the file, type and content. The major objectives of classification is it condenses the mass of data in an easily assimilable form. It is usually the data which we collect from the field, it is exorbitant and it is very mass, and it is very difficult to put it in one file or one sheet. And the data classification helps to minimize the space and minimize the condenses, which condenses the responses. It eliminates unnecessary details. Classification, it eliminates unnecessary details. It facilitates comparison and highlights the significant aspects of data. Classification facilitates comparison and highlights the significant aspects of data. It enables one to get a mental picture of the information and helps in drawing inferences. Classification helps in statistical treatment of the it helps in statistical treatment the data which we have collected. Classification of data can be classified on the basis of geographical classification, chronological classification, qualitative classification and quantitative classification. With reference to geographical classification, we classify the data according to different locations, geographical locations. The location can be a city, state, country, or even continental. Example, classification of the data of the income of the professionals in various cities of New York or in India. And also we can classify the responses on the basis of urban, semi-urban, rural, semi-urban, metropolitan cities. It is purely on the basis of the geographical location we can classify the data. Qualitative classification. As the name itself suggests, in this classification, we do classify the data according to the qualities of data. As we know that qualitative data is far different than quantitative data. We cannot measure the qualitative data with the help of numbers such as 3, 20, 50, 100, etc. like this. The qualitative data which is example attitude, behavior, psychology, trend, all this it is considered as a qualitative data. It is we systematically classify the data with reference to qualitative classification. Next, quantitative classification. It can be done with the help of numerical values and divide the data into different groups with numerical values. Besides, we range each group with a higher and the lower value. It is purely numerical in nature. Commodity inflation and deflation. In this, we classified the data based on time. That's why this classification is also known as chronological classification. The classification of the data about the number of deaths from COVID 19 in the US or in India or in Mysore for that matter in the last month. It is purely on the basis of the chronological order we classify the information. Classification can be again classified on, on the basis of one-way classification. When we are going to classify data based on the single characteristics, then this type of classification is known as one-way classification. For example, the students, the, the students of the school may be classified by gender, that is girls or boys. Second one is two-way classification. In this classification, we do classify on the based on two characteristics at a single time. At a time, we are considering two component. For example, the students of the school may be classified by gender, age. We are considering not only the gender, we are also considering age. In that, two-way classifications will be measured. Then multi-way classification. In this, researcher classify the data on the basis of multiple characteristics at a single time on the given data set. For example, students of the school may be classified by gender, age, height, weight, income, etc. So it is not only single or two, it is more than two, three or more than three. Thank you very much for listening this topic.